This is must be a question about education. Yes, it is. Great inflation, COVID, and some of the drawbacks of project-based learning, drilling. Yeah, yeah. I mean, all these things contribute. I mean, COVID was a disaster to K through 12 education in so many ways, and the idea of the shift in power. So Brian's mentioning here from teachers to students. Yeah, I mean, there's 100 different things that just have gone so terribly wrong. Public schools can't flunk you no matter what. As somebody's pointing out here, when I said we have to completely rebuild education in the US, I mean completely. Like we have to go back to the foundations and the fundamentals, figure out what education is supposed to do, and then make it do that. And I don't mean get the bad students out and flunk them and let them fail in life. It's just I do like much of, say, the European educational system, where in the US, for instance, vocational education is frequently seen as where the dumb kids go. Like the smart kids study, and then you're in wood shop. That's where the dumb kids go. Um, I think blue collar labor and blue collar career paths should be given the same respect that we give to white collar. I think we need to look at vocational ed. If you go through vocational education in Germany, it's a highly respected path to take. It's not looked down on. It's not like, oh, you didn't make it in education, so you did this other dumb thing. We need to change those attitudes as well, because, like I said, blue collar labor is every bit as important, as essential as any other kind of labor, and we need to kind of not just revamp education, but revamp the way we look at certain kinds of education and certain jobs.